Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Using rice transplanter can increase harvest by 10-15 pc, BRRI.
Broiler production can be both sustainable and profitable.
Indian rice traders want the export price to Bangladesh to be raised.
New grain storage plant completed in Romania.
Succession planning is secured in Buehler Group's leadership.
AGI's 5th Annual Safety Week brings our focus to our number one priority, safety.
Argil unveils Transformed Innovation Center in Singapore to advance food innovation, for Asia from Asia.
European import restrictions promise a catastrophe for Poland's poultry industry.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. BIV Select China 2025, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.